everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another time to decorate together, right? Yeah, today we'll be making a decoration for the first communion celebration of a lovely little girl, Katerina. Yeah, I'm so excited about this decoration because it came out so lovely, so beautiful, just like every other one we decorate together. So we'll be using a combination of white, pink and gold. You'd have wondered if there was no pink in it, right? Pink is for girls. Well, not only for girls, for every gender, but yeah, we have a special request, which is pink, to be added to this decoration because it's a baby girl. So join me, let's go together as we make this setup together. See how the decoration is turning out? Very beautiful. If you love what you're seeing, leave a comment in the comment section, give us a like, and you can also share this video. If you're yet to connect to us on all social medias, do well to do it. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course on YouTube. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.